What's up guys? In today's video, we got the unboxing and review of the Beats Pill Plus. So this is it right here. I'm going to be telling you guys everything you guys need to know about the speaker, the price, my overall thoughts and verdict on this product. And yeah, so let's get right into it. Bluetooth speaker, as you can see here, and it's gonna cost you $250 Canadian. So I live in Canada, that's what it costs. I'm not 100% sure what it costs for like in USD. I'm pretty sure it's around the 200 mark. But this is the look at the black colorway. It does come in other colors such as white, turf green, product red, and asphalt gray. So I chose the black personally because I just think I like it better. It's more sleek. It's just, I personally like it. But the price is all the same in the different colors. If you get the red, a percentage of the I think it's the profits go to either AIDS or coronavirus relief. I know for the new iPhone they did coronavirus relief, which is nice. But yeah, so basically this speaker has up to 12 hours of battery life, and I found that it's pretty good. So the battery life will last you, depending how much you use the speaker, but like once a week probably, depending how much you use it. And you can get a quick charge in 3 hours with the lightning cable. So this does use lightning, as I'll show you in the back here. There is this little like seal right here, and when you just flick this open, there's the quick access for the lightning port, and you pull this whole thing open, you'll get the whole USB, aux cable, and lightning. So this is waterproof, as you can tell by this thing. It does not float though, so that's a little unfortunate. It's pretty heavy. It's not like whoa, it's hard to hold, but it's nice. It definitely feels premium. As you can see on the top, there's the Beats logo, which is actually a button. As you see, you can click that. There's the power button, and there's volume up and volume down. These buttons feel really nice. They're nice and clicky. Of course, you look for that in in buttons. And yeah, that's pretty much the big overview of the Beats Pill. So I'm sure why most of you guys clicked on this video is because you guys want to hear what it sounds like and also how good the speaker is in general. So one really cool feature, just before I get into the actual sound, is that you can actually hook up two of them and play the same song. You can have it in stereo, so you can have like one on one end of like your room, one on the other, and it's just really nice. That's a really cool feature if you just happen to have two. And what's also really nice, as you guys saw in the unboxing, it comes with a little nice wall adapter here. As you can see, it's got the Beats logo, got a USB port, and it just plugs into your wall, so that's kind of nice. And it also comes with a USB-A to lightning cable. Right here, it's just nice black, which is nice because usually with Apple products, you get the red. The packaging is also very nice, of course, as you expect from a Beats product. So, diving into the speaker. As you can see, I'm not the biggest audiophile. Sorry, I know it's this way. You can't really see it right now, but you can see it in some other images, is there's basically 4 speakers. There's 2 big ones right here and right here, and there's 2 smaller ones on the end. The bass is really good, as you expect with the Beats product. As you know, Beats products tend to be more bass heavy. But the highs, the lows, the mids, they're all pretty good. It's very good for listening to rap, as most Beats products are. So you get the rap, a little bit of pop, like that type of music. It's pretty good. But it sounds really good. In my opinion, it's one of the best Bluetooth speakers. It is expensive at $200. If you guys want to check out my other review, I have a review on the Anker Soundcore Mini, which is a great Bluetooth speaker, and that one will set you back around $30. Of course, this one is better, but it has also got a higher price tag, so it depends which one you want. But yeah, so overall, this sounds amazing. I will give you guys a little sound test after this. But yeah, I think it sounds amazing, and it's honestly one of the best speakers I've heard, for a portable speaker, that is, of course. And yeah, I just think this is a really good speaker. The quality is great. As for warranty, I believe with Beats products you get a 1-year free warranty. And Beats, generally this is pretty rugged. If you drop it, it falls out of your bag, or if it tumbles down a hill or something like that, it's not gonna break. Of course, if you chuck it out your window or something, it might break, or it might get some scratches and stuff. As you can see, there's a little bit of scratches and stuff. This has been through almost a year of usage, and it's held up pretty well. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And now let's go to the sound test. So this is the sound test here. I'm just gonna be playing a song, and this is just gonna be how it sounds. So here's the song, and you can see this is about 20%. I don't know if you guys can hear that really well. Now I'm going to be cranking it up to about 40%. Took it straight from outside, straight to the couch. We put the mic outside. So that's about 40-35%. We running this house. Ain't no control in the game. Now that's more like 45%. I got tests over my veins. So this goes really loud. She drink a lot of the bourbon. That's about 60%. We got control of the flows in her. And now that's about 80%. We heard that your wave went dry. We flood in the drought. So I'm just gonna stop it there because I don't want to disturb everybody. But that was about 75%, and it gets really loud, so it's good for outside if you're going on a walk, or you're hosting a party or something like that, or you're going to the pool. So that's really good, and it's also good for the pool because if some water accidentally splashes on it, it won't be that big of a deal. But yeah, so it gets really loud. The bass is really good. There's no really distortion when it gets really loud. If you go to 100%, there's a little bit of a distortion, but it's not terrible. And so yeah, that's pretty much it for the sound test. So my conclusion for this speaker is that overall, for the price, you're getting a pretty good speaker. It's not necessarily overpriced, but it's the value is just right, I think. Of course, if it's cheaper, it's gonna be better. But I think if they went a little cheaper, they might have cut off some things. And I think it's really good. I'm glad that they used Lightning. So this is not really a new Beats pill. It's the updated version of the 2.0, and it's much better. I really like the aesthetic of it. I think it looks really nice, and it's just really good. And so I think that this overall, I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10. Bang for your buck, probably 9, 8.5 out of 10. And just the overall value is 9 out of 10. I think this is a really good speaker. My verdict is that if you want to spend the money, if you want to get a high-end portable speaker, go for this. If you just want to get a portable speaker, but you don't want to spend too much money, you're looking for the $50 range, get the Anker Soundcore Mini. I'll have that linked up in the top right corner of the screen if you guys want to watch that video. But yeah, personally, I think this is the best high-end speaker, and the best low-end speaker is the Anker Soundcore Mini. So hopefully that cleared you guys up on what you guys want to do if you're looking on purchasing the speaker. I'll have the link in the description below if you guys want to buy this. It's available on Best Buy, Apple, Amazon. I'll have 3 links in the description below where you guys can buy this. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned. Peace.